How do SPMTs revolutionize large transport logistics? Imagine moving a building or a giant wind turbine across hundreds of miles without damaging roads or requiring new infrastructure. That's the power of self-propelled modular transporters, or SPMTs. These machines have changed how we handle colossal creations and natural wonders. They are like giant, multi-legged robots made of many connected axles that can be arranged to support loads of almost any size or weight. This flexibility means they can be customized for each project, whether it's a massive bridge section or a huge offshore wind turbine. One of the most impressive examples is when Revolutionize Inc. used 880 Schuerl SPMT axle lines to move an offshore wind turbine installation vessel called Charybdis. This vessel weighed over 23,000 tons, and moving it was a huge challenge. The operation involved transferring the vessel from port onto 3 barges, then launching it into the water. This set records for the heaviest load moved on land on wheels and the largest load transferred onto barges. It showed how SPMTs can handle complex, multi-stage moves involving both land and sea logistics. SPMTs work because they are modular and scalable. Hundreds of axle lines can be linked together to spread out the weight evenly. This reduces stress on roads and structures, making it safer and easier to move enormous objects. Each axle line is independently steerable and powered, so operators can precisely control the direction and movement, even in tight spaces or rough terrain. Power pack units, or PPUs, supply the energy needed to move these heavy loads smoothly and with fine control. These vehicles are incredibly versatile. They are used to transport ships, large industrial equipment, bridges, and even components for renewable energy projects like wind turbines. Their ability to adapt to different loads makes them essential for projects that involve moving colossal vehicles or natural wonders. They also protect infrastructure by spreading out the weight, preventing damage to roads and bridges. Thanks to SPMTs, projects that once seemed impossible are now routine. They have helped set world records for moving the heaviest loads on land and transferring massive structures onto ships or barges. This technology makes it possible to build and install huge infrastructure components, especially in sectors like offshore wind energy, where large vessels and turbines are common. The flexibility, safety, and strength of SPMTs continue to push the limits of what can be transported, opening new doors for engineering and construction around the world.